Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite new members to your Splitwise group via link. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the groups button down below, which is the second option. Select your group, so tap on it. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on invite via link. Here you have the link at the top of the screen, so anyone can follow this link to join your group. Here you can share it by tapping on the share link button. You can copy it or change the link if you want to. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.